statue. Let me pull up my Facebook. Now say a statue or takrade. The cultural to Facebook say Addo. Open a candidate to lose anana in the middle of a presidential contest. And you see, the last time I can say Addo say a co-opposition should make a for grand chiano a winifie. Confor sending message and omudi matem.
Mama Akwaba. What friend me Addo searching Mesrel. Now I subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusa for Saturday, I got to abandon and send this for na. There are a whole lot of things I also. If you are our journalist, Edin Sendia Betuja, say His Excellency Addo Danko Kufuado. On one man, Dr. Baumia Winnie, because Wako statue at the SC Western region. Now, if you are you see, sometimes no program here, I watch you. I take time to watch all the programs I watch. I will just. I will your friend say, okay, I have time to watch them because you know why? You are my role model. I learn a whole lot of things from you. But if you sometimes I am highly disappointed in you. I know. Say you love the man. But if you sometimes I am many sao. Ose Addo. I be some from the video in bedroom na mashi. By a fear pokua as Addo. Oko ahujima. No ko state mana. Should make and po enko His Excellency. Addo Danko Kufuado anko the advice. Na if you pokua. Abro man penda da Mahama eye president. Na 2016. You do 1 million votes too na. And don't know babaji ne back no. Were you able to say the same thing? Were you able? Nana Dubai na ben we know. But 10 year light for 8 good years. Don't forget, on my wired dollar rate to control but to be a DD because there is light to be a DA. Me didn't have me castle me blogging a juma me. If on my penda da Mahama the pencil, I don't think so but so me buy 100 cedi simple because not light in no idea juma. But thanks be to Addo. Every though hardship wo, but in your light. This semester videos. I upload me a bit to the Baba nibi it mean your light go eating. Hairdresser nibi to mean your light position benity, a coaching benity. Companies that work Ghana how we produce everything. Only your light here, Juma. If you are so when you are talking 5.5 million students, it's me for Addo being same free school fees, school uniform, mattress, our bed so cry. Don't forget, West System schools are quite unprecedented. Ghana. I bet you and quite saying Addo. If you are my penda da Mahama, then I'll bet in Yaka. Obesi Red Hospital, Obe Renovate Airport. Terminal 3. Airport Terminal 3. Or Renovate Ridge Hospital. And they will see one interchange. And I will see then Legon Hospital. Addo see more than that. Addo states your friend say Saglebe a housing housing projects bebre we see police for there mo bebre ada fe bokwa uni Ghana hu ni ngena na Addo aye e dey na ba enti na Addo kotene fe onya carpenter shoemaker mpono nko enkoje adwenkyere wo ne ho what is that statue now omo see a secondary got to do with sad defeat way. What is that statue got to do with this defeat? No man penda da Kwame Nkrumah this statue in see ho because on oje fa ho di ma Ghana. In fact Addo Danko Kufuado ye kan because Obura Kwame Nkrumah Ghana for kind until a man statue. Addo so Ghana for kind because we have 5.5 million into and a hospital. In fact, Oko Western region, Abada wa perform better or Western region. Takra even in Takra in not Takra no MPP abai. With this current administration, me sometimes when I'm talking I am bored because me to kind power Ghana hano. Western North. About Western region, Abai Ben, Efa de Takwa, Huni Valley, Ekwa asankrego akwa libo abesita krade. Abesita krade ni na ho takrade na ho te say krase. Na Addo ba no be omi na road be bra mo. So if you poke sometimes when you are talking, you be careful. You just don't say things just like that. And then and then Abba, Ghana for no more take your decision, almost one power by no more to never go for by for. And in fact, even breaking the 8 in this country, now we knew that it was never going to be easy. And I easy is no more day and this Abba. So what is the big deal here? Nanado continue on your shoemaker. Now can't sabit or my penda damahama. Or my dad doing so 8 years a month for at 2 almost saloons, edgy loan be 2 pine. No more towns who street to squad them or mumba aduani di kwa jaye because of light. Nyo man penda da mahama ni person in your petrol to Ghana han. And yo man penda da mahama ni person na. And if for Ghana he na complaining so more kwan yen. And yo man penda da mahama ni pencil. And another rate what 4 cedis. But so na you complain aduani e bedi no. E fe poke what is this? Miss, what is the statue na what takra got to do with this? Statue in Ghana for bubu no. No problem. But you catch them on. Yakopro has passed through. On the crown also on fashion who crown or pay appreciation. Yakopo ye baby man as one appreciating now. And no me about so no. Na se na na do abehwe mofra, na se mofra no behwe omo ni nti no. Ne hu asede mi a. Ghana mo ye careful na de eba no. Muntu me nsa no baby mo kwana ho yetro. Mana, ede na aba, ede na esi afia popia, ede na esi. Ede ben na esi. Hey, Nanado ayebio. Nanado ayebi. O ma penda da mahama be yebi, ba Nanado ayebi. Eba no krono no so be ayo kromfo, and people for ya kromfo, and this for ya kromfo. But we are talking about projects and policies. And then Nanado be the West President, I Ghana ha, should make have advice. And then esi, what has happened? And then esi, and then Abba. I am men, yes, sir. I am men, yes, sir. I know for a fact to say, Odo man penny dada mahama. But if you're poker men, yes, sir. US what I want. Donald Trump have no better tear Janasi when if you're poker. Donald Trump better tear Janasi when one of the feed who do America. US a country and no more Diane, and what Nibu of Empire, US. But in the no foodstuffs, Nibu was saying, almost a Yana Mutumiton $1 and Mutumiton $20. If we are suffering a baby ID. Send another man a comedy crop, and another no to if ever go US 1 hour no. Donald Trump betty tell you nasi window, and a pebia Donald Trump have a more behind. If you are brain and you bring, I am many, sir.
Necessarily like a win, and I'll show you results at MPP for NDC in 2020. Any results at NDC ende. There's just a slight difference. Where MPP for Nankasa stronghold. Eastern region, Ashanti region, Greater Accra region, baby 2016. Omotoma MPP no. Omoana Asato etia MPP for. It is a coup d'etat against MPP. This is a coup d'etat against MPP. There's no other language I can use to describe this. This is a coup d'etat. 2.6 million people in Ashanti region did not vote. 2.6 people in Ashanti region did not vote. Greater Accra region, Bebrianto. For the first time, we have a voter turnout of about 60% average. An unprecedented loss. Where unprecedented array for MPP for. And you see, the last time I can say Nanado say Oko opposition should make a for crunch and a winifie. Conforce any metal and omudi matem. Now I'm saying a statue. Let me pull up my Facebook. Now say okoye statue water credit. The cultural to Facebook say Nanado. Open to a candidate to lose anana in the middle of a presidential contest. And okoye a friend say a statue. Oh, me nyabema kofiton to can I didn't tell me on the comment section. And I have for na and I hear two for abuntie. They say this is it's a coup d'etat against MPP. My report. Oh. You have made less than 100 seats in parliament. This is unprecedented. People for supporters and at 20. This one, you see, what's your campaign NDC for a year? And share campaign be NDC, I say, Omo ye extravagant campaign. MPP supporters now see a bema mu showdown. And Lorisha Bimpo Kano. MPP supporters and mama mu showdown. In fact, say see I Canada Japan supporters that Kiki is Omo ba for 2028. Omo ba for 2028. Ye tumu for muntie. Ye can't say muntie. Gabi Osare Chedakut